You got yours going too, Jolene?
What?
You got your camera?
Yeah.
You got a movie going?
Yeah.
Wish
Kind of scary. I hope we don't get hurt.
Yeah. Well, I wish we could get your dad, but he's on the wrong side.
I know. It's Dave.
Yeah, well, we got Dave.
Well, dang it.
Oh, they just need that. There, that wedge is going to come out of there in a minute.
It's kind of scary.
Oh, here we go.
Ooh. Now we got him. There we go. He's the star. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. It's kind of scary. It could fall any minute, you know? Right? Never know. Now stay there, Dad. Ooh.
Boy, that is one big tree.
Get ready to run. I see Grandma. She's looking. She's trying to look.
Oh dear.
Oh man. Is it moving?
Well, I hope it goes the way they want it. Otherwise, we're going to have a mess with the firewood.
Yeah. And I don't want to get hit by this.
Oh, it's not coming this way. Oh, there we go. The wedge is out. Oh, boy. Well, I suppose.
Oh. This is going to take forever until it actually falls over.
Oh, I think it's getting ready.
Are you sure?
Well, they got a cable on it.
How did you guys get it up there?
With a ladder.
Oh. That's a tall ladder.
Look at the...
Hi, David.
Uh-oh.
Get out of the way.
Davey, get out of there.
Is it going now?
There's your mom. Oh, he's gonna put...
What is David doing?
He's pulling on it with the skidder. There it goes. There it goes. Okay, Davey. Oh, dear God. John, we got sunshine.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, excuse me. I gotta go over here.
Look at Grandpa. Oh man. Oh gosh, that's a good. What? That was a good crash, huh?
Oh, you have the best view. Wait till I want to see yours.
Yeah. Do you have it going? Your video?
Did you catch David when he was running away from that?
What?
Was David driving the other way, I hope?
No.
Why?
I made sure it wouldn't move. Or my skidder anyway.
Oh wow, what a tree. Look at
my
this.
God.
Jenny, Mom, stand right by the tree and so you can get an idea of the...
Everybody's
Did you
on.
hear
Come
it?
on, everybody over
you
there.
hear it?
Get by the... Stand right by the tree.
Shook the house.
Oh man.
That was good, huh? Right? With the house shit.
I was on my knees praying. I didn't give me time.
Oh darn it.
Sun's in your eyes.
Yeah, I'm coming over here. I think we're okay though.
Here, let me have your camera, Jenny.
Well, she get a picture of you standing right. Yeah, gee.
Petunia likes to lay in this.
Yeah, let's get a shot of how long.
Can we leave this dirty spot and take pictures?
Huh?
Look at that chainsaw. John needs to stand by with a saw.
There you go, Jules. Oh, there's our logger ma.
Dad, the cat's on it. Oh, it's on video too. You'll have to move it to just the
Yeah, Dar, are you regular?
Did you move it?
No.